The Sony R20G is a 32-inch HD-ready TV. The TV also has a clear resolution enhancer to improve depth, detail and realism. The recommended viewing distance for this TV is between 4 to 6 feet. It is an LED backlit TV. The TV comes with a built-in FM radio. You can also play back music from a USB drive on the TV. The TV also supports multiple Indian languages. For audio, it has a total sound output of 20 watts. The remote control that comes with the TV has playback controls. At the back, the TV has a VGA port to connect your PC, PC audio port, video in and antenna port. On the side, the TV has 2 HDMI ports, a headphones out and 1 USB port. The remote control and base stand are included in the box. The TV comes with brand warranty, free installation and demo. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.